So we're back and for part 2,
It's
and
kind of worked.
it's like that.
Let's just do something like bang, 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 bang. So it gets stuck to your finger, I guess.
Yeah, and then
So obviously it's working. That is working. That has. And
I'm just gonna add a bit of Rodox. What is it? Shower cream. So you can use any type. I'm using the Coconut Kiss. There's like
right, Becky, you don't need that in it.
no, because it's kind of wet. We are going to make another slime video. We're making another slime video as well. So you should check that out. Just tip it.
Becky, if that goes all over me.
The lid.
Go watch the lid. Go watch the lid. Wait, let me get this.
It's going blue now.
Come purple. So let's do a little bit more mixing.
I think we should add a little bit more of Pantene shampoo.
Don't put too much in there. Right, that's enough, Becky. Did you make it dead watery?
No, I'll make it thicker. So we added a bit of more Pantene shampoo.
Pantene.
No. Pantene? No, we call it Pantene.
Oh, Becky, this is working.
Haven't it?
So hopefully, fingers crossed that this is worked because it's looking really thick at the moment. So we're just going to see. We'll give it like 10 minutes to set, and then we'll do our other slime video when it's setting, and hopefully it will work. Yeah. So Becky is going to make me and Becky going to make another lot. So
go and check that out down below. Subscribe and hit that bell.
And come and check Rebecca Sinnott YouTube, Sam. Thanks very much. Bye.